Hello, everybody. Today, we will be doing an Ohio State rebuild. Just not even Ohio State. I had to say Ohio State, but no, not there right now. So we're gonna pick out this freshman running back. Well, I mean, they're all freshmen, but alright. I'm gonna pick out this freshman. Let's see if we can go get him. If we don't get him, reload it until we get him. Apparently, this senior is not budging. Looks like we gotta use OxyClean. See, we used OxyClean and that's what we get. So most of our team's made up of C's, which is pretty bad, but anyways, here we go. Start season. We are 9 reach. We absolutely get destroyed by LSU. Next we have to play Houston, we get wrecked by them. Columbia should not be a pretty tough test. It is. It's only 54-28, even though Musa threw he threw 3 TDs. He's trying. I can just say that we're 0-3. We are not going to make the college football playoffs. I'm sorry, it ain't just going to happen. We lose to Arkin. Actually, we had the possibility of winning that, but I don't care. Yeah, this is always your first season. It's always trash. We are. I feel like the worse team you get, the better. I don't know. It feels like the worse team you get in real life, the better it is in here. We only lost to Buffalo by 6. We lost to Miami by 16, so that might be a tough game. Oh, we got rid of our season. We completed a perfect season after nobody did nothing. We had 999 yards. Oh, 9 TDs. So bad for him. Anyways, we need a better team. We do. So let's get this flipper. And let's just get this for you. If we don't get the A minus. Yay, we got the A minus. Yay. Now let's just get the walk on. I'm just gonna reload the literal a B minus. I approve. Yards after catches. We're like 101st in the country because I don't know how we're not ranked. We almost pulled off enough sitting against Rutgers. 4 TDs. We tried this game and get it done. Yeah. The season is. Oh, we almost beat Arizona. We lost by 1. We're almost there. We beat Arkin in our first ever win, mainly because of Victor. He got 3 TDs, 57 yards. 1-4. We're still not in the BCS top 100. We lose to Bowling Green, which is kind of sad, but We win over Buffalo, and I expected 2-5. Now we'll make a run against Cincinnati, and we lose to them by a touchdown. 52 yards passing from Musa. Like, literally, why? Why even playing it? Makes no sense. 2-6. We get blown out by Kent State once again. 2-7. Miami, Ohio. We lose to them 7-0. And we lose to Youngstown State. Last game of the season. So yep, we're not ranked in 2019. But in 2020, we will be coming back furious. So this guy cares. I don't know what I'm doing. I need that new tight end. Except that nice little pretty quarterback D-. No, that is unacceptable. I'm doing so unless I get a nice B. Pretty much the same guy, just renamed. This is the problem with walk-ons. C+. I want a B. I'm getting till I get a B. That's what we deserve. A B plus. Okay. You can't not pass up on that. Probably more of like a transfer, but Come on, Virginia Tech. We lose to Virginia Tech. Who's got a defensive touchdown? Fresno State. We beat Fresno State 24-16. Or 1-1. Georgia. We lose to Georgia. Our Air Force. We lose to Air Force 10-6. Wow. Arkin. We lose to Arkin by freaking a field goal. We can't even make a run at Bowling Green. But Buffalo. We win in Buffalo. That's a place where we can win. 98th in the country. A tough testing in Cincinnati. We beat them. We have 3 wins on the year. We're 3-5, ranking 78th. We need to beat Kent State. They are still impenetrable. We're 100th. We're on the brink. We lose to Miami, we'll have 13 seed, knocking us out of the BCS top 100. And we win against Youngstown State, making us rank 97th. This rebuild is slow and monstrous. It just feels so long. Just 2 seniors on the team. Like, it's like 3 seniors I hate. Giving A's. No, we have no A's. A minus. We get them. And we are looking like a great team, actually. Could possibly get in the top 50, which I'm honestly hyped for. We're 56. We're near there. Nebraska. Cornhuskers. And okay, so anyway, we're not going to play them, as we have to go all the way back. All the way back. Now, instead we're playing Columbia, and we pull off a nice win. We're 44th in the country at 1-0. We might be in the talk. We beat Toledo. What? We're 2-0. Wow. This is shock. We beat Georgia in a revenge game. What? We're 27th. We beat Penn. Arkin. We beat Arkin. Wow, we're 5-0. We're 16th in the country. Ohio is now possibly in the national team. We don't even suffer a season-ending loss at Bowling Green. We're 6-0. We're making a run. We're guaranteed a bowl game. We dominate Buffalo. We are on the run towards the national championship. This is insane. This is not expected. We beat Cincinnati. Wow. We're 7th. Kent State. We lose to Kent State. A season-ending loss there. 14th. Anyway, we win over Miami of Ohio. 11th. We beat Youngstown State. No touchdowns, just field goals. We have to play Georgia, who we beat earlier in the season. 14-7. Let's see if we can beat them in the Sugar Bowl. Nope, in our first ever bowl game at 13-0 with coach. We're going to end the season off like that. And looks like we're 16th in the country that year. We lost in the Sugar Bowl. And it looks like we're going to have to rebuild a little bit more. So, yep. Goodbye, everybody. See you all in part 2.